Hi everyone, welcome back. Before we go any further, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I feature exciting dishes weekly, so don't miss out. I've been feeling for rice noodles recently, so I decided to make shrimp and mussels with rice noodles in chili oil. I used a bag of fresh mussels and wild-caught shrimp. Peep the fresh ingredients. I cleaned and seasoned the shrimp with Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. In a skillet, I added a bit of oil and then I fried the shrimp for 1 minute on both sides. Then I set them aside. Have you subscribed to my channel as yet? I have many more interesting dishes coming up, so you don't want to miss out. Then I added about 1 tablespoon of butter and sauteed chopped garlic and shallot. I added green onions and 2 tablespoons of chili oil. Now this will give the dish a beautiful flavor and a kick of spice. Let them cook together for about a minute, and then I added a cup and a half of white wine. When it begins to simmer, add the mussels. They were washed and cleaned. Cover and allow to steam for about 3 minutes. All the mussels opened up. Remember to remove any unopened mussel. Then you set them aside. I added the peppers to the remaining sauce, cooked them for about a minute, and then I added the shrimp. I had soaked the vermicelli in hot water for 2 minutes and they were ready to be added. I added them and then I combined everything very well. Next, add the mussels. Add a bit of garnish, and then it's all ready. The sweet flavors of the mussels combined with the tender shrimp and vermicelli makes this one of my favorite dishes. Before you go, please comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.